simplicity or classic style. Today, I'll show you 3 things that will remind you of the old days in the 2026 Suzuki Swift. Let's start with the interior. The Suzuki Swift mild hybrid is equipped with a classic handbrake lever. Pull it up until it locks. Then to release it, press the button and lower it. The car is also conveniently equipped with a set of dedicated physical manual buttons, located right on the climate control panel. It's a truly refreshing and nice change, compared to many modern new cars, which nowadays just have one massive integrated touchscreen display in the center, where you are forced to do practically everything manually through menus. By taking advantage of the classic climate control panel, you can in a very quick and highly intuitive manner deactivate or shut down the air conditioning, the internal air circulation, the front windshield vent, or the rear window heating, as well as precisely adjust and regulate the air temperature, or the specific fan speed. The third thing, which in my personal opinion is a very classic but still a highly effective feature in daily use, is the detailed digital instrument cluster display, conveniently positioned right behind the steering wheel. Many modern cars simply have a large screen in this spot, which firstly can break down, can turn off, and is difficult to operate because you have to use the buttons on the steering wheel. That's not the case here. We have a simple display here which allows us to change or check the car's basic functions, as well as see the tachometer and speedometer. Here we can also check the fuel tank and the coolant temperature. An interesting fact about the Suzuki Swift mild hybrid is that in the city it can achieve fuel consumption as low as 4.5 liters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment.